Hi Forest Schoolers, I hope you're all okay. Teddy's here with me today to help me. This week we're going to be doing about birds. We're going to sing some songs today. So our first song is Two Little Dicky Birds. So I've made some little birds out of sticks and some eyes, a little beak and some feathers, or you can just use your fingers like this. So you ready? Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall, one named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away Peter, fly away Paul, come back Peter, come back Paul. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall, one named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away Peter, fly away Paul, come back Peter, come back Paul. Yay! So next song is Sing a Song of Sixpence. Okay, so you might know this one. Sing a song of sixpence, a pocket full of rye, 24 blackbirds baked in a pie. When the pie was open, the birds began to sing. Wasn't that a dainty dish to set before the king? The king was in his counting house, counting out his money. The queen was in a parlour, eating bread and honey. The maid was in the garden, hanging out the clothes, when down came a blackbird and pecked off her nose. So next song is Little Bird. So Teddy's going to help me with this one. Right, Teddy there. So you ready? So instead of teddy bear, it's going to be little bird, little bird. So little bird, jump up and down. Little bird, don't make a sound. Little bird, tiptoe please. Little bird, bend your knees. Little bird, peep, peep, peep. Little bird, sleep, sleep, sleep. Little bird, fly to the leaves. Little bird, sit down please. Yay! And our last song is Three Red Cherries. Okay, so it's quite easy one. 3 red cherries left on a tree. Along came a blackbird, said these'll do for me. He ate number 1, he ate number 2, he ate number 3, now there's none left for me. Yeah. So this week I've made a little bird trail down at the nature reserve. So tomorrow I'm going to put them up so they'll look a little bit like this. This is my blue tip. And you'll find lots of different pictures and then a little fact about the bird. Okay, so there's lots of different birds to find, and then I've also done some little information about birds and how to look after them in winter, what to feed them, what they need, so you can find them all around the nature reserve. I've also made some toilet roll feeders. So I made these yesterday. They are so easy to make. So you just need a toilet roll, some string, and then I put some peanut butter around it, and then I dipped it into lots of bird seed and it sticks on. Then you can hang it in your garden. So I've made 2, so I'm going to hang mine in the garden in a minute for all the birds to come, and they'll have a nice tasty treat to eat. There's some other bits to do as well that I'll email out, and that's it. See you next week. Bye.